Hello friends, in my previous videos we explored the magic of Microsoft 365 Copilot, and today we are taking it a step further. In this continuation, I'll show you how to turn a simple script into a full video using Clipchamp, which is included with your M365 Copilot license version. I have created a short 1-minute inspirational script for students using ChatGPT, and now I'll use that as a prompt in Clipchamp. Let's see how quickly and easily we can bring the story to life. Watch the magic unfold. I pasted my script here. I'm going to just run my prompt. It already started creating the video. Let's give a minute to this. It hardly took a minute to create the entire video. I haven't used any videos, images, text, nothing. It is created by itself. Let us just play and see.
Arya failed her math test, not once but 3 times. While others moved ahead, Arya felt left behind. But instead of giving up, she stayed after school, asked questions, and kept trying. Day by day, she improved, not because she was the smartest, but because she didn't quit. 6 months later, she topped the class. Remember, success isn't about how fast you get there. It's about refusing to stop. Fall 7 times. Stand up 8. To all students out there, your story is still being written. Keep going.
So the video is ready. I haven't given the background voice or music, also the voiceover, but it created by itself, narrating the story and all the ingredients required for the video creation. Amazing. Thank you for watching my videos.